In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived chats in ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the ChatGPT website. So, open up your browser and go to chatgpt.com. That's the first step. Once you've reached the site, you're all set to navigate through your chats. Now, once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to your account settings, where you'll be able to manage your preferences and settings. After clicking on your profile, the next thing you need to do is find the Settings option. It should be right there in the menu that pops up. Click on it, and it might feel like a bit of a maze, but don't worry, you're on the right path. With the settings open, you'll want to look for something called Data Controls. This is usually one of the categories listed in the Settings menu. Click on this option. It's where all your data management features are located, including the archives for your chats. Once you're in the Data Controls section, the next step is to manage your archived chats. Look for the option that says Archived Chats Manage. Once you click on that, you'll find that it opens up the area where all of your archived conversations are stored. You're almost there. Now you'll see a list of your archived chats. Browse through them to find the conversation you're looking for. Click on the chat that interests you, and voila, you've now got access to your archived discussion. It's a smooth process, and it's great to have previous conversations handy whenever you need to reference them. If at any point during this process you feel like you might need a little extra help, don't hesitate to refer to the support documents available on the ChatGPT website or check out their community forums. There's a wealth of information out there that can guide you through any bumps you might encounter. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through and accessed your archived chats within ChatGPT. This feature can be incredibly useful, especially if you revisit previous conversations for information or clarification. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative videos like this. We strive to make these topics easy to understand and accessible, helping you get the most out of ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're feeling more confident about accessing your archived chats now. Happy chatting, and I'll see you in the next video.